My name is Andrea Sirk. I'm a chemical engineer, graduated in chemical engineering, and the company is ALEMO from Slovenia on the border with Italy in Slovenia. And we are a manufacturer of machines for direct forming of polyolefins. In this exhibition, we are most excited to show, let's say, the result we achieved in these different years of research and development, that finally we can prove that for each kilogram of foam that is produced on our machines, 1 kilogram of CO2 is saved for the planet. But this kilogram of CO2 saved for the planet is also a lot of money for the producer. This is ecology and economy run together. A lot of very interesting conversations since, let's say, 9 o'clock in the morning. And it's difficult to say which is the most interesting, but everything is coming out from the fact that we are designing the machines around the process and not the process around the machines. Because we are in a very, very small niche of plastic production where nobody is caring about designing the machines around the process, but usually users are designing the process around the machines. And from this, a lot of new, exciting, let's say, conversations are coming.